Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at some Majorette emergency vehicles. Some of these are carded, but most of them are loose. Some are mint, some have some paint chips, and then some are in a really bad condition. We're going to start with the police vehicles, then we're going to go to the fire department vehicles, and then the ambulances. So this first one is carded. I dated around between 2007 and 2009, I think. This is the back of the card. Here it says 200 series. That's what the street cars were called back then. So let's free this one from its package. So this is the Alfa Romeo 75. So this has suspension. It's got opening doors. If I can get them to open. It's got a red light on top, plastic inserts for the headlights. Got a trailer hitch. Next up, we got a Chevy Impala, same style of packaging, so approximately the same age. This one has a metal base, also has suspension, can make it a real low rider. Got opening doors also that are pretty hard to open. Very solid. It's got the light bar on top. That's probably part of the windscreen. Yeah, it's kind of bluish. It says 911. Very cool. Also got this version. Yeah, that door is jammed, it seems. That's not going to close. Oh, there it is. No worries. Also got this version. This is a sonic flasher. This has a plastic base. Usually when you press this down, it starts making a siren noise and the lights flash on top, but the battery has died, of course, after all these years. So this one has no interior, or at least you cannot see it because the siren is in there in the battery. Plastic base, no opening doors. So same casting, but also a different light bar on top, as you can see. Then we got this van. This also has a metal base. This is called fourgon, which means van in French. It's got opening doors, plastic doors in the back, and a row of seats. It's got a white light bar because of the clear windows. Not white light bar, a clear light bar, I mean. This is from my childhood collection. And there's also a other version of it with reverse colors. So the interior is blue and the outside is white. This one does seem to have a blue, although no, it's the same light bar. So it's also clear windows, and it's got blue doors in the back instead of the white ones. So everything is reverse. So got the trailer hitch. This one used to have a sticker. I bought this at a collector event, but it was almost completely gone, the sticker, so I removed it completely. So also metal base. Very nice pair, and we will see with some other examples I have, they have done this multiple times, these reverse color themes. This is also from my childhood collection. Renault Alpine A310. It's got the suspension also, the Vans didn't. It's got the light on top. It looks a bit bluish. I think the windscreen is very lightly blue tinted. And then this one is in a very bad condition, but you can still kind of see that it was white originally. Somebody painted it black, and it's got the blue interior. So reverse colors of this one. This black back piece here would also have been blue. You can see it on the sides here. There's still some blue. So this is the reverse version of that one. So everything the same, suspension. So you got the blue bumper piece instead of the white bumper piece. And then the last one is also a bad one. It's this one, a Simca 1100 Ti in a police deco. I don't know if this is the correct color, this black, or that it has been painted over, but I assume it is. Also has the lensed headlights, very small ones. Metal base, suspension, trailer hitch, and there was probably something in the boot, in the trunk, because you have these holes there to click something in, but I don't know what that would have been. Then next up we go to the fire department vehicles. This van is probably from around 2010, I assume. I'm not 100% sure. Got no date on it. So they only started dating their cars in 2011. Maybe I should do it the right way. So this is a Ford Econoline. No suspension. It's got some ladders on top. This has also opening doors in the back. But you see there's a lip here. They have to go over to open, so not going to be able to do that. But there's not much inside anyways. Then next up, a Unimog. This has the blue windscreen, blue windows, and the blue lights on top. I don't know if this can be taken off. Yes, it can, like that. It's got a partially metal base. Here it says on the plastic piece Unimog. Metal grille. Then we've got this Mercedes. So this also has a metal base. It's called Pompier Aéroport. So this is an airport fire department vehicle. This has got suspension and a moving part. You can lift this and turn it any way you want. Also has the blue windows and the blue lights on top. Trailer hitch. This one is a little bit of a worse version. It's practically the same, but it is kind of a color variation. That's why I wanted to show it. It's a little bit different kind of red, as you can see. This one is from my childhood collection. It doesn't say what it's called. It looks like an American style fire truck. Maybe some of you will recognize it. It's got the orange lights because the windows are orange. Also got the trailer hitch. And then we come to this set here. So this is a Range Rover, metal base and suspension. So got the blue lights also, and a bunch of people sitting inside, 2 in the front and then 4 in the rear, 2 on each side. There probably would have been some kind of a ladder on top, but that is missing, of course. And then we got the trailer that is probably holding water with some emblem on here. Don't know what that means. Yeah, never mind. And then I've got another one of those. So this is everything the same except for the sticker on the hood or bonnet. It says Rescue Team 116 and 3. Here the people inside have escaped. They've all gone on a mission with a different vehicle. No, nothing on top either. And this trailer has the same sticker here as there is on the vehicle. And then we have this ladder truck. This has a Fire Department New York livery. So this goes up like that. I'll zoom out to show how high it goes. That's pretty decent height for such a small vehicle. And then I've got another version of that. This is from 2010. So both have a metal base. It says Pompier. This is a fire department vehicle. Also has a sliding ladder, of course. It's just in a different livery. It says 911 emergency. Different wheels also. I like these wheels. These look kind of good. Then the ambulances. So this is same packaging as the this one, the fire department one. By the way, bomberos is Spanish. So also means fire department or fireman, crew. So it's the same casting, but this time it has a light bar on top. It says ambulance on the hood or bonnet, on the side, and then again in the back these plastic doors that are held with the little red piece. Don't know why an ambulance would have the need for a trailer hitch, but you know, it's the same casting as the other ones. For the other ones it makes sense. Color line. Then this is from my childhood collection also. Metal base, fourgon VW. So VW van, that means suspension. Opening door in the back. Don't know if there's someone in it. No. Should be a short person because it still has the bench seats in the back. And that's going to be uncomfortable to be transported like that. Then we got this one. Just says ambulance on the base. To me it looks a bit like a Jeep. I don't know. That model that Matchbox did also does. Can't come up with the name. Here there's a person in the back laying on the floor. Very detailed in the back here, this one. Plastic opening doors, suspension. Also got the blue windows and light bar. Then we got this one. This has a plastic base, also called ambulance. Also an American style one. Suspension. Also New York City. No opening doors in the back. And then the last one is also the worst one when it comes to condition. This is a Citroen DS21 ambulance. Got suspension also. But all the rest of it is very, very bad condition. Also has a guy in here in the back. Tailgate is gone. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.